The art of welding is widely applied across the food industry, yet some welders are bigger artists than others, and many underestimate the effects of bad welds for the food safety and hygienic performances of food processes. While EHEDGE, of course, does not underestimate those risks and has already developed a guideline on this topic many years ago, but has now updated this guideline as well. And with us today is the chairman of the working group that did that important work to talk about this new EHEDGE guideline that is now ready for download for EHEDGE members. Peter Meerhoff, tell us, what are the most important aspects of welding for the end user of the weld, so the food processor themselves?
The most important topics for the end users are that they have a reliable, repeatable produced system that guarantees them that they could produce their food in a safe way, and that they have a cleanability of all these piping tubing systems.
Now, Peter, you mentioned the word reliability. What does it mean to have a reliable hygienic weld according to your guidelines?
Yeah, when we talk about reliable weld, that means that the weld is without any failures inside, and that is also fulfilling a certain range of quality, where we are really safe and sure that we later have no problems when we start the production.
Okay, so let me repeat my question, but then related to the other qualification you mentioned, repeatability. What does that mean exactly?
We have different geometries of the piping system. We have both. We have straight piping systems. We have reducers and such things, and therefore it's very important that all these different types of connection will reach the high demands of the food producers in the final production.
The scope of the requirements, the hygienic design requirements, haven't really changed, have they?
The range where the quality should be in, we haven't changed it. It's still the same, because that was established and accepted by many different customers and manufacturers, and also from the 3A. They also refer to our guidelines. But it's very important that these high levels will be reached. But furthermore, in addition to the former guideline, we added much more technologies to produce high quality tubing systems.
Can you give us an example of one of those innovations that you mentioned?
We started in the former guideline where we mentioned only orbital welding as the main technology that is deeply recommended. And today we also see that lots of turntable solutions are available, semi-mechanized welding solutions, and there's a lot of development on the market that also these machines could offer high quality welds. You can't add some of these not when you have to do some on-site installations. Orbital welding is still the only available technology, or from part to part also some manual welds. They are not forbidden, but it's difficult to reach the high quality in a repeatable way.
Now, people here at EHEDGE always say less is more. If you can prevent introducing an hygienic design risk into a food process, you should do so. That also applies to welding, right?
Some people have in mind the best weld is no weld, but with the available technology, it's really possible if the preparation is really exactly. And that's the focus we also added in the new revision of our guideline. We were much more focused how to prepare it in the right way. We also added good examples to visualize how to do it in the right way, so that people who have to reach these high quality expectations will get some ideas how it could be done. We still see, that's our experience, that some companies are ordering something without any specification. And then later it's difficult to judge if it is okay or not. And therefore a clear specification is really helpful. And we also see that people using really specification standards or our guidelines and referring to them, that makes it easier for both, for the supplier and for the customer.
Thank you very much, Peter Meerhoff, chair of the EHEDGE working group, Hygienic Welding.
Thank you very much. And also my thanks to the whole working group, and also to the members of the EHEDGE head office for supporting our work.
Dear viewers, the guideline is free of charge to download for all EH members. If you're not an EH member, do it right now, and you can download this guideline and 50 plus other EH guidelines too for free then. And also join us maybe on the EH World Congress that is coming up at the 2nd and 3rd of October in Nantes. We will be happy to welcome you there and continue discussing these important food-related and food safety-related topics. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.